Well,
Birthday boy.
this is the birthday boy getting ready to get bashed. And he was Papa, Arguna was ready to go to the office, and unfortunately, his roommates ready to give him a body bumps, and he smartly agreed to change his clothes and get back to his normal way. So let's continue this. You got something to say, Mr. Mahant, regarding Mr. Gunda?
I know Gunda for the last 6 years,
Mhm.
and he's been very, what do you say? He's been very
What do you think
irritating
about
at
his
times.
party instincts?
Party instincts. He's happening after coming to Bangalore.
Uh-huh.
That's it.
Anything else?
The most
what
that
about
they
Neha?
like about-
What about Neha?
Huh?
Why do you
He's
call him Ane?
Because I don't know. I call him Gunda. I am the one who kept that.
But do you have any idea about why he got the name Ane?
I have no idea.
You got no idea. Okay, thank you. Mr.
I remember. I just got
Okay.
it. Okay. People call him Ane because if you reverse the name, it is Neha.
Uh-huh.
That's why people call him Ane.
Oh, that's cool.
That's
Okay,
it.
Mr. Nahar.
The more said, the less about Gunda.
All right, thank
Gunda
you.
rules, yes.
Okay. Mr. Shetty, do you have anything to say? Oh,
No,
okay, Mr. Shetty is going. He's going to the bathroom. He wants to close his door. Okay. Anyways, he wants to do his work.
Shetty,
That's
va.
good. And what about Ane? So, what do you people call you Ane? I've got no idea. So please explain.
I don't know anything
I
about
just
that.
want, Mr. Mahan told me that
It's if you reverse the name, it's Neha.
called
That's why
Neha,
people
so-
call him Ane.
So what
Sir.
is he doing now?
Okay.
So you ready to get?
You've got to cut the cake, please. This
Alright,
side.
sir. Okay. Okay, and Mr.
ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ
Cut the-
ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಬನ್ನಿ ಸಿಂಗ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಬರ್ಡೇ ನೀ
Mr.
ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ನಂಗೆ ಬೈ ನೀ ಎತ್ತು ಓಕೆ ನೋ ಬರ್ಡೇ ಬಾಂಬ್ ಹೋಗ್ಲ
Hold his leg. Hold his leg, dude. Hold his leg.
hold his leg
Hold his leg. Hand.
No.
Hey, dude, hold his hand at least. Try to support him. Mr.
happy birthday oh okay hey hey ಏನ್ ಸಾಕು ಎತ್ತಿ ಎತ್ತಿ good enough how does it feel Gunda how does it feel after the birthday ಆಯ್ತು ಸಾಕು ಓಕೆ ತಲೆಗೆಲ್ಲ ಬೇಡ ಮುಖಕ್ಕೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ
Okay.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Gunda. Happy birthday to you. You were born in a zoo.
It's called makeup. Happy birthday to you. Makeup ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡಿ.
Abdul, your turn.
It's already done, so I don't have to mess my hands.
Okay, hold this. Abdul, hold this.
Someone's phone is ringing.
Okay, let's go. Let's take a close-up look at Mr. Gunda. Mr. Gunda. Cheese.
Mant.
Here's Mahant having his share of
Good
cake.
Yummy.
Is it good? Good. And here's Abdul having his share of this cake.
Mr. Shetty.
And Mr. Shetty is always, as usual, doing something in the bathroom. Okay, as usual, he gets a big share of, his cake. Like, okay. Well, this is the end of the story, Thank you.
Snap of this guy.
All right.